Intro or full bike. Here we have the 2026 TVS Apache RR310, standing proudly inside the showroom. A sharp design, premium finish, and a pure sport bike stance that immediately grabs attention. A handlebar and controls. The handlebars feel sporty and well-positioned, giving the rider a confident and controlled riding posture. All switches and levers are placed for quick and easy access. Air digital dashboard. The fully digital instrument cluster looks modern and easy to read. It provides all essential riding information clearly, keeping the rider focused and informed. Air front tire and brakes. At the front, we see a wide tire paired with a strong disc brake setup. This combination improves grip, braking confidence, and overall road control. Air rear tire. The rear tire and swing arm add stability, especially during high-speed riding. It helps maintain balance and smooth power delivery on different road conditions. Air front headlight. The aggressive LED headlight gives the Apache RR310 its bold and sporty identity. It not only looks sharp but also improves visibility during day and night rides. Air fuel tank. The fuel tank is sculpted for both style and comfort. Its design supports better grip with the knees, especially during spirited riding. Seat. The seat is designed to offer comfort for the rider while keeping a sporty feel. It supports longer rides without compromising control. Air exhaust. The exhaust system is neatly finished and complements the bike's performance character. It adds to the sporty appeal while maintaining a refined look. Air engine. At the heart of the Apache RR310 is a performance-focused engine. It delivers smooth power, responsive acceleration, and an engaging riding experience. Air closing or summary. Overall, the 2026 TVS Apache RR310 offers a perfect balance of design, technology, and performance. A sports bike that looks premium, feels refined, and is built for riders who demand more. Air CTA, optional. Let us know your thoughts on the 2026 TVS Apache RR310 in the comments, and follow for more detailed motorcycle walkarounds.